In this video, I will be talking about how to build confidence and self-esteem so that you can have an attractive personality in front of the others. Often it is seen that self-confidence and self-esteem are used interchangeably, and most of the people are confused related to self-esteem and self-confidence. So in this video, I will be clearing your doubt regarding self-esteem and self-confidence. So do watch this video till the end and be a part of ROHANKIT.
September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed.
Hello friends, this is Rohit Gupta. Welcome you to my YouTube channel ROHANKIT. Today in this video, I will be discussing about few points related to self-esteem and few points related to self-confidence. But before starting the video, I have a request. The people who haven't subscribed for my channel, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that in future you can get the notifications for my upcoming videos. I want to tell you that basically my channel ROHANKIT is based on motivation, lifestyle, personality development and body language videos. There is another channel of mine, that is ROHITG Counseling, in which I'm making the videos related to career options as well as motivation and career guidance. So do watch these videos, do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon if you want the notifications related to personality development, or if you want the videos related to career counseling or career options. Now, what is the major or minor difference between self-confidence and self-esteem? Self-confidence basically means the ability to trust in yourself. Whereas if we talk about self-esteem, it is the ability to place value in yourself, believe in your overall worth as a human being. So basically these is a major difference between self-confidence and self-esteem. Now if we talk about how to develop self-confidence in our personality, so the four major steps which are very important to develop self-confidence in your personality is, first is take it one step at a time. Now, what does this mean? Always get into the habit of doing little things. Don't jump or over jump each and every points which you are not having, the shortcomings you are not having. Improve bit by bit, little by little, and only you will gain the self-confidence. If you will do little things on daily basis, it will create a big change in your personality. Move back. If you are discouraged, if you are demotivated for some time, if some bad days are there in your life, don't get discouraged. Again, start with full energy and enthusiasm. Always, second point is step out of your comfort zone. It is basically observed that the people who step out of their comfort zone, they try to develop a drastic or dynamic personality because they have done the work, they have done the hard work, they have worked on their personality. If you think that you are the way you are best, then you will not be able to change your personality, you will not be able to improve your shortcomings in your personality. So always try to step out of your comfort zone if you want a dynamic personality, if you want your personality to be very attractive and people should attract towards you for your personality. Step 3 is always surround yourself with the people who support you. Ignore the people who are the negative thinkers, who are the haters, because they will not support you. The people who support you, they will tell you about your shortcomings also. They will try to praise you, they will try to motivate you that you can do the task in a better way. So always surround yourself with positive people and ignore the haters, ignore the negative people, ignore the people who are not supporting you. Now, fourth point, most important point to gain self-confidence is always do the things by which you are feeling happy. Don't try to indulge yourself in those activities which you are performing on others' recommendation or in which you are not having interest. Always perform those activities by which you can have a confidence, by which you can develop your personality, by which you can be happy, because happiness is directly related to your confidence. Try to perform those activities by which you can gain happiness, because happiness is directly related with your confidence. So these were the few points related to self-confidence, how to gain self-confidence. But if we talk about how to gain self-esteem, prestige in the society, then there are few points. Number one, Embrace yourself as you are. Accept yourself as you are. Don't change on others' recommendation. Don't change on others' advice. Accept yourself as you are because you are having certain unique qualities which make yourself a unique person. So accept yourself, accept your skin color, accept your hairstyle, accept your way of talking, way of walking. But yes, you have to improve your personality so that it can be attractive. So basically, the traits, the qualities which you are having, accept your qualities and traits as you are because you are identified by your own traits and characteristics. Next point is stand up for yourself. Always try to support yourself that you are correct. Don't be adamant that you are at each and every point you are correct. Support yourself. The third point is very important. Notice and shift your self-talk. What do you mean by self-talk? Self-talk means when somebody is saying something about you, then notice and try to shift from that particular place and just notice what type of expressions they are having if they are talking about you, and what they are telling, what type of behavior they are having towards you. You have to notice that behavior. Always talk about yourself also, that you are having this much quality. Don't try to boast your qualities in front of the others, but what you can do, you can just talk about little about yourself. Okay, because you will gain confidence and self-esteem also, and then try to modify the sentences that you can perform this task in a better way. Now last point is in self-esteem is learn to accept compliments. Now compliments may be good also, maybe bad also. Try to accept those compliments. Compliments may be good, maybe depends on your personality, depends on your traits or qualities you are having. The bad compliments also you have to accept, depends on your shortcomings, what all your shortcomings are, people are pointing out. So try to improve those shortcomings. The compliments, the bad compliments, you have to work upon it. So always try to accept the compliments as they are, and if you are having any bad compliment, try to work on it. Don't get depressed, don't get demotivated. So friends, these were few points which are related to how to gain self confidence and how to gain self esteem in your personality. I hope that this video will be helpful to you, and if you like this video, do give me thumbs up, give me feedback in my comment section how you like this video. Share this video as much as you can with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Till then, have a nice day. Good day.